Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's been quite long, the last session. So let's catch up from the last session. If there is any voice problem, please convey it to me through your comments, and it matters a lot for me. Come on. As we reach second problem, and we are onto third bit, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 2. We're waiting for the students. Okay, Bilal has joined us. Very good, Bilal. Am I clear, Bilal? Is my voice okay? Is it audible to you? Okay, dear. Let's continue. Yes, the question is for third bit. It's 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So solution lies with. Here we will deal with a new one. My God. So the new equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So what is A? A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, and C is equals to 2. So what is the formula, quadratic formula? We already know that x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is quadratic formula, so please note it. Now what is b? Just use your values from your equation. It is minus 3 plus or minus under root 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. So now minus 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus 16 divided by 4. If you do the calculation, it is minus 3 as it is. So what you will see over here is in minus 7 you will see. The minus 7 in the under root, it says it does not exist, but we can have an imaginary root for that. So for that, what we will use, minus 3 plus or minus, it is, since it is minus, so there is no, so by removing minus we'll say that is imaginary root for that, that is minus under That is plus or minus I under root 7 by 4. So the roots what you have over here is minus 3 plus 7i or I under root 7 by 4, comma minus 3 minus under root 3 7. How you can write anyway, like you can write I before surd or after surd. What is a surd? A number which cannot be reduced from its root form. Now is my screen how is my screen? Is it inverted? Still, Bilal, is it inverted? Hello? Okay. Yes, dear. This I stands for imaginary. This I you can write anyway with the help with surd. Either you can write before surd or after surd. It means the same. Both are same. Understood? Okay. Thank you. Is it done, dear? Okay. Now one more. Let's go for one more. Today I'll teach you a small trick for JEE or you can say it for MSET or any competitive exam. That is how to find quadratic equation in just a few seconds. Also you can say seconds or half a minute or minute. You can take whatever you can. That is, just take a equation. Let us go for fourth one. We'll do that on that way. 3x square plus 10x. Or we'll do the third one only for this question. Method 2. This is for IIT competitive exams. You can mark it as JEE mains method or any competitive method. That is, take the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, we'll teach you this later. Before that, you just need to understand the signs. What the signs you're gonna take, you'll get what signs you'll get in roots according to that, and it is very very important for your JEE mains. If signs of this equation like over here and here, so if I say you sign in equation and root sign, think that you are having 2 plus signs in your equation, then you will get 2 minus signs for your roots. You will get minus and minus negative roots. If you are getting minus and plus sign for your equation, you will get the root signs as positive and positive. If you are having signs as positive and negative, you will get the roots as negative and positive. If you are having 2 negative signs, you will get positive and negative. Note that if you are having positive at the end, in the second, at the end in the root equation, what you'll get? You'll get same roots. If you are having negative root in the end, you'll get different signs for your roots. Getting? Is it clear here? Okay, come on. Next thing. Please make a note. Make a note. It's very, very important. Just give me a minute here. Okay, dear. Let's come back. What's our equation? 2x. Yes, it's 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now do one thing, as same as possible, like as same as the previous one. We need to just multiply first and last. So negative, negative. Okay, dear. See over here, the last case. See, I was saying that. Let us take this. See, this one, in this case, whatever you are seeing, at the end you are having, see, at the end you are having negative and negative signs. Because of that, you are getting the root signs over here different, isn't it? And if you are having positive sign over here, in the second sign, that is over here, that is for constant term, if you are having positive signs, you will get the same sign for your roots. Getting? Got it here? That I was saying. There are many more tips for your JW mains also. Please, as you are taking notes, you need to keep separate side heading like JW mains, like note. These points matter a lot, because over there in competitive exam you will not find much time to write your to solve your, because time matters. You won't even get 3 minutes, or you need to solve single question in 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, like that, or 1 minute sometimes. But the questions are too lengthy to solve, so you need to keep these signs and tips in your mind. Okay, so now multiply first with last. What you'll get? Let's say me 4x square. What is the middle term? Now you need to take the factors of 4 in such a way that it should represent 3. It means 4 minus 3, 3, and what you'll get? 3 and 1. It gives you 4, and there's a factor. So what you'll do? 3 and 1. Write it. Now divide it with a. Divide it with a. Wait a bit. We'll not go for this. We'll go for your early one. That is first one, x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. So what you'll have over there, that is just multiply first with last, you'll get 12x square. You need to represent 12x in form of 7, so you'll write 4 and 3, right? 4 and 3. So just what you do, write your 4 and 3 over there and divide it with coefficient of x square. And what are the signs for this? If it is negative and positive over here, they are positive and positive. These are your roots, plus 4 comma plus 3. Understood? Thank you, dear. Next we are heading with fourth one. The last question, third bit. Since because of nature of roots, since the delta, that is discriminant, is greater than less than 0, so you'll get a negative roots. Going following a JW mains method will not give you, because for doing that problem you just need to overall calculate b square minus 4ac. Firstly, for every problem, if it's asking whether the nature of roots or something roots, first you need to do nature of roots, b square minus 4ac. If it's less than or equals to 0, less than 0, then you need to go for formula, quadratic formula. It will be a easier method. You cannot go for your quadratic finding roots, splitting middle term, or you can or JW mains method what I have shown. You need to go for quadratic formula only. Is it clear? Now fourth one, under root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 under root 3 is equals to 0. So how to find? Bilal, please use your quadratic formula and solve this question. Faster. I'm gonna give you 20 seconds. Faster, don't comment anything, just start doing. Oh. Everybody, please like, subscribe and comment here, and share this session with your friends. Okay, dear. The roots you'll get with the help of that method. That is, if you go with that, you'll get a is equals to under root 3, b is equals to 10, and c is equals to minus 8 under root 3. So what's the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So just apply that. Minus 10 plus or minus under root 10 square minus 8 under root 3. 4 into under root 3 into what you'll get, minus 8 under root 3. The calculation where minus 10 divided by 2a, 2 into what you'll get, under root 3. 2 into under root 3. So just erase that. So minus 10 plus or minus under root 100 minus under root 3, it becomes 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 8s. How much? It's 96. Minus of minus plus. This minus. So under root 2 under root 3 you'll get at the end. So minus 10 plus or minus, you'll get 196. What is the square root of under root 196 here? that is nothing but 14. So you'll get minus 10 plus or minus that is how much? 14 divided by 2 root 3. So if you want to split this, you'll get minus 10 plus 14 divided by 2 root 3 and minus 10 minus 14 divided by 2 root 3. If you go for that, you'll get 4 by 2 root 3 and you'll get minus 24 by 2 root 3. If you divide it, what you'll get? 2 ones, 2 twos. You'll get 2 root 2 divided 2 upon like under root 2 upon under root 3. And if you divide 2 ones, 2 twelves, and like minus so 2 ones, 2 twelves, and if you write over here minus 12 divided by root 3, over here if you cancel 4, you'll get 4 under root 3, since 4 3s are 12. Like if you want to show me how it is, the expression, it is 4 root 3, 4 3s, it is 4 multiplied by 3, and 3 can be again written 3 multiplied under root 3 into under root 3. So if you cancel 1 under root 3, you'll get 4 under root 3 is remaining as this one. Okay, so you'll get 2 under root 3 comma minus 4 under root 3. These are the roots. Okay, now so let us go for the quadratic form quadratic equation whose roots are like that. We'll go for second question. Form quadratic equation whose roots are, is a quadratic equation is given 2 comma 5. There is first bit over here. So solution will be it is given as whose roots are here is given. So let alpha and beta be the roots, you know that. So how you write? Alpha is equals to and beta is equals to 5 is given. So what is sum of roots here? It is alpha plus beta, that is equals to 2 plus 5, that is nothing but 7. And product of root, what is that? That is alpha into beta. What you'll get? 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. So what is the quadratic formula? Required equation. The required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of roots, into x plus product of roots, give you equation. So x square minus what is sum of roots is 7 into x plus what is product of root 10 is equals to 0. So this is your equation. So go for the next. Second question. M by n comma minus n by m not equals to 0 comma n not equals to 0. Solution. Same, you need to find sum of roots, product of roots, add in the equation, you'll get an equation. Okay, let's find the equation. So directly I'll say alpha plus beta is m by n plus of minus idiots n nm you'll get, or mn, whatever you want to say. So LCM is nm. How many times n goes in nm to get nm, that is m times. So m into m, that is m square, right? Minus into plus minus, that is n into n now. So sorry, so m square minus n square divided by mn, right? Now this is your alpha plus beta. Now you need alpha beta product of roots, that is m by n comma m by n multiplied by minus n by m. If you see cancels, like numerator and denominator in multiplication, they'll get cancelled, they are same. So minus 1 is the product of roots. So the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus, that is m square minus n square by m plus mn into x minus 1 is equals 0. Am I correct here? Now take the LCM for this. What you'll get? Mn is the LCM. You'll get 1 into mn x square minus, as it is this one, cause the denominator as it is, minus mn over here is equals 0. Now send this mn over this other side. Mn x square minus m square minus n square into x minus mn is equals 0. This is your required equation. Is it clear here? This is your required equation. Now one more you have, that is third question. P minus q divided by p plus q minus p plus q divided by p minus q. So solution, what you'll get over here, same. First, sum of roots and product of sum of roots you'll get over here as minus 4pq divided by p square minus q square, and product of roots you'll get as same, minus 1 you'll get. If you do the calculation, you'll get the same. Now the required quadratic equation is, since in product of roots numerator denominator get cancels, it cancels, you'll get minus 1. In sum of roots you need to add them, so you'll get p plus q into p minus q, you'll get p square minus q square, a plus b into a minus b, and goes on, right? Now x square minus alpha plus, that is sum of roots, into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus, what is sum of roots, that is minus 4pq divided by p square minus q square plus of minus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now same, take the LCM, and at the end you'll get a equation like same as earlier. P square minus q square, you get p square minus q square into x square, that is the middle term as it is 4pqx minus the same as the beginning, you need to make it to the ending. P square minus q square is equals 0. Understood here? Thank you. Next. Yeah, fourth one, that is plus or minus, that is nothing but you need to split that 7 plus or minus 2 under root 5. There are two roots, note it, that is 7 plus 2 root 5 comma 7 minus 2 root 5. It's very simple. Just when you add, what will you add? Alpha plus beta, that is 7 plus 2 root 5, 2 under root 5 minus 7 plus 7 minus 2 root 5 plus root 2 root 5 minus root 2 root 5, you will get cancelled. They'll neutralize each other and you'll get the result as 14. And product of roots, you'll get 7 plus 2 root 5 multiplied by 7 minus 2 root 5. If you multiply, you'll get a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square form. Right? A square minus b square. So you'll get 49 minus, that is 4 multiplied by 5, you get 49 minus 20, you'll get how much? 29. Now same product of roots, sum of roots, add them. X square minus alpha plus, at the end I'll give you just the equation, x square minus 14x 14x plus 29 is equals to 0. Is it clear here? The same for your fifth one. The fifth one, like most of the students like get scared by seeing one, that is imaginary number minus 3 plus or minus 5i. So no need to bother for that. Just start with your product of roots, sum of roots. Sum of roots is equals to minus 3. As you know, there are two roots. If you split this, minus 3 plus 5i comma minus 3 minus 5i, you can write that same. So let me write it properly so that you should get it. So plus 5i minus 5i, since they are, the magnitude is same but the signs are different, so they can neutralize each other. So minus 3 minus 3, it becomes minus 6. Am I correct? Now alpha into beta, over here you'll find what? Minus 3 plus 5i multiplied by minus 3 minus 5i. Again over here you'll have a plus b into a minus b, since it is a plus b. If you take this and it becomes a minus b, it gives you a square minus b square. Right? Now get minus 3 whole square minus 5i whole square. You will get minus of minus 3 into minus 3 is 9, minus you will get 25i square. 25 I square. So 25 I square. I square, value of I square is equals to minus 1. If you apply that, 9 minus 25 you'll get. Right? How come? Since it is I need to explain this again. 9 minus of 25 into minus 1, since the value of I square is minus 1 we can write over here. So minus of minus becomes plus 25, and it becomes 25 plus 9, that is 34. So you need to add this to the next step, that is nothing but x square plus x square minus sum of roots plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square minus, what will go for this? X square minus x square minus, that was 6 minus 6, right? Minus 6 into x plus you got 34. If you see, x square minus of minus plus 6x plus 34 is equal to 0. Is it clear here? Okay dear, this is all for this session. Inshallah, every day we may start a session by 9 a.m. Inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.